Today, we going to review the top 5 best vinyl floor cleaning machine that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Tineco iFloor Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Tineco is a powerful wet and dry vacuum cleaner convenient for removing the stickiest of mess and picking pet hair. It is the best machine to clean vinyl floors and pets' mess. This cleaning machine is a vacuum cleaner plus a mop. You can do the cleaning deeds separately and both at the same time too. There is a trigger to dispense cleaning solutions when you need it. When you do not release the cleaning solution, you are basically drying the floor. Tineco leaves almost no residue after cleaning the stickiest of mess. The 2 tanks are for keeping the clean and dirty.
Number 2.
Bissell Spinwave is a hardwood floor cleaner machine. So quite naturally, it would be gentle on the surface you are cleaning. It cleans the hardwood floor thoroughly, but it cleans the hard floors even better. And vinyl flooring is one of the hard floors. Chuck the idea of saving some money by filling the tank with water and then pouring apple cider vinegar instead of the cleaning solution. You will end up damaging your Bissell Spinwave by using other cleaning solutions in place of Bissell multi-surface formula. Spinwave ensures a powerful cleaning of the toughest of stains but does it all quietly. The 0.9 ampere power rating is pretty high, considering its affordability. Do your floor cleaning whenever you are free, even if it's midnight and everyone is in deep slumber. That machine is not going to make a slight noise. Its mop head has 2 round trays for attaching the pads. The purpose of those round thingies is rotating and cleaning. You just need to attach the pad on the machine.
Number 3.
Hoover Floormate Wet Dry Vacuum. Vinyl floorings usually have gaps between, and to clean those gaps, nothing works better than Hoover FH401. Undoubtedly the best vacuum and mop for vinyl floors. It doesn't let the water seep in as you sweep with water but immediately dry it with the same machine. The laminate floor cleaning machine has 2 tanks in it, and the tanks are pretty big compared to other similar cleaning machines. They are easy to fill and clean too. One tank is filled with water and a few spoons of cleaning solution. The other collects the dirty water. So, when you are spraying the liquid, you know it's fresh. The dirty water is entirely separate from the clean water. It mainly scrubs the floor with its patented spin scrub brush. The brush tray has 4 brushes on it, and they rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise. So, removing dirt from the gap, corners, and edges becomes easy. You also get a wood brush, and both the brushes are, of course, removable.
Number 4.
Oreck Commercial Orbiter Floor Machine. As this doesn't include brushes, we recommend buying the orange Oreck Scrub Orbiter Brush, an Oreck Orbiter Terry Cloth Pad, and Oreck Vinyl Floor Cleaner. You can cover a large space while cleaning due to its 13-inch cleaning path. Not just that, you can reach the farthest corners and edges of your room and clean those hard-to-clean areas thanks to its 50 feet long cord. It is a versatile machine, can clean tiles, and grout, hardwood, carpet, but most importantly, the vinyl flooring. You can dry clean, deep clean, scrub all the dirt, grease, footprints, scuffs on the vinyl floor, and polish and revitalize it with this one machine. Oreck is an orbiter floor machine that spins and cleans the dirt and grime from your vinyl flooring.
Number 5.
Eufy by Anker. Boost IQ RoboVac. RoboVac is an ultra-slim, quiet robot vacuum with potent suction power. It moves all over your vinyl floor to clean and remove dirt without making a noise. Before you use it, try to learn as much info as possible about how this robo-cleaner works. Otherwise, you might get annoyed and feel like the machine is not working, which will be a very wrong impression to make about such a well-made machine. The way it works feels like it has its own mind. It can sense the obstacles, and it increases the suction power within 15 seconds when needed. It also stops all by itself from falling down the stairs and off of the ledges. The infrared sensor, Boost IQ, and drop sensing tech are all the premium features that make it one intelligent machine. It cleans for 100 minutes. So, you can leave it to work and do other chores without bothering about whether the machine is cleaning or not. That is not the case for both cordless and corded cleaning machines. There you need to hold and maneuver the machine.